Have you ever stood in front of your dishwasher, puzzled, wondering if it can really handle the aftermath of a glorious Indian meal? All that oil, those stubborn turmeric stains, and dried-in bits of dal and rice, it feels like a culinary crime scene. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and see exactly what happens inside this magical box when you trust it with your toughest, greasiest Indian cookware. It's not magic, it's some seriously clever engineering. So, you've loaded up the kadais, the pressure cooker, the plates smeared with curry, and you've pressed start. What's the first move? The dishwasher doesn't just flood with water. Instead, it draws in a small amount, just enough to fill the basin at the bottom. This water is then heated up, often to a steaming 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is our first secret weapon. It's way hotter than what your hands can handle, and it's brilliant at melting and loosening stubborn grease and oils from your chicken curry or paneer butter masala. Next up, the detergent dispenser pops open at the perfect moment, releasing the soap into that hot water. This creates a powerful cleaning solution. Now, here's where the real action begins. Instead of filling the whole tub, the dishwasher uses a pump to force that hot soapy water through the spray arms. You know, those propeller-like things at the bottom and middle. They spin around like crazy, shooting out high-pressure jets of water in every direction. Think of it like 100 tiny, powerful water guns blasting away at every nook and cranny of your dishes. This forceful spray physically dislodges all the stuck-on food particles, whether it's dried rice on a plate or that stubborn layer at the bottom of your dal pot. After this intense wash cycle, the dirty water is drained away, taking all that grease and grime with it. But we're not done. The dishwasher then performs 1 or 2 rinse cycles with clean hot water to wash away any leftover soap and food bits. For that extra sparkle and to fight those notorious hard water spots, a rinse aid is often released during the final rinse. Finally, a heating element kicks in, drying everything with hot air. This not only dries your dishes but also sanitizes them, ensuring they are perfectly clean and ready for your next culinary adventure. So yes, your dishwasher is more than a match for Indian cooking. Thank you so much for watching and demystifying the dishwasher with me, too. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen tech secrets. See you in the next one.